Everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design an art in Autodesk Inventor. So this is the sample of an art that I'm going to design so that at least we learn something by designing a complete part. We are moving in speed to ensure that our those who are following us are learning something new each and every day. Today we focus on the nut. Let's get started on how to design this type of nuts. So you come to home, you go to new project like that. Then you select metric, you select standard IPT, and then you create like that. Very simple. Then you come here, to this sketch, you select this axis, that is the XZ axis. We go to polygon, we select this polygon of six sides or six sides. And we come here and make it horizontal, no vertical, like this. Sorry, like this. Vertical like that. And then you come to dimensioning. We want to dimension this. You select these sides like that. Then we make it 19 millimeters. Okay. Then we finish our sketch. We come here and extrude. We extrude to a point of 7.5 millimeters. Hit enter. Then you come back here to the sketch like this. We select circle like that up to this point. Yes, it will highlight a green point like that. Then you finish the dimension. You come to extrude again like that, but this time we are extruding an intersect like this. So you select extrusion and then you come here and for more you extrude through all. Then you come here and change the angle to 45 degrees. Then you hit enter. You can see what has happened here. We can do the same thing to the other side of the nut. Okay, so you come here like this. So you can rotate this like that. Then you come to 2D shapes and select this one. Then you come to circle like that. It has you select the circle like this. You draw it again. Same procedure like that. When you finish sketch, you come to extrude. Extrude and you do it like it's an intersect like that through all. It is like this. Then you come here to more and you change the angle to 45 and you hit enter. And you can hit home so you can see what is happening. Let's change the material and then we see some few things here and there that are going to change. When you add our material, we can take chrome and polished. I like using it when it comes to materials. So you can see what is happening. So again, we do this sketch, this one. Then we do a circle like this. And then this one we are going to make it dimension should be 10 millimeters. We hit enter. We want to use simple dimensions so that it can be easy for us. So again we extrude, but this one again we are doing a cut like this. Then we are doing it through all. Then we hit OK. So you see our nut is taking shape. You can see our nut is taking shape, and we have remained with some few things which we want to do, and that is a thread. And before making a thread, we come here to the origin, and then we select the axis, and let's select this one. No, that's the plane. Choose yeah, I like using this one. We can make it visible like that. And then we come to sketch, and sketch is like this axis like that. Then we pick a line and draw our rectangle like this for it to help us to do it and like that. Then we pick here again at the center. This. Then you can make the dimensions here. So we can make the first dimension here like this. So we want to make sure that this distance and this distance is very known. It's half that. Then now this one represents our pitch. Our pitch is 1.7 like that. We want to make the distance from here to this edge very small, so we can do again that from this edge like this. this edge of the nut like this. We can make it 1 millimeter like that. Then now we can make the change the angle. This angle you can also do it as 60 degrees like that. And you can do a chamfer here or a fillet 0.2 millimeters fillet. So select this line and this line in that, and then we can use construction line for this line. So you hit this line like this, then you come here and construction line like that. And then now with that one we can finish our fully constrained sketch like that. And then we come back here to coil. We select a coil like this. Our profile has been selected, it's the one that we are trying to create. And then our axis, we can select now the y axis where our coil will fall. Then we come to this, we are going to do it pitch and height like that. Then our pitch is going to be 1.7. We have done it and like that, and then we are supposed to cut through. So it's cutting through, so we can make it 15 so it can cut all through. We are sure that it's cutting all through. Then we can come back here and select cut. Then we finish like that. Then we come and make this one not visible like this. Then now we can try to see what you have got. And now you can see our nut is here. Very nice nut. A very nice nut. And that's how to do a nut in Autodesk Inventor. Very simple design and very perfect for our comrades. So keep following us, keep subscribing, keep watching, and keep commenting. If there is any question or anything you want to be helped with, tell us. We'll try to do it and upload the video for you to keep learning. Thank you very much and welcome. Keep following this channel always. Thank you.